Artificial intelligence, AI, has become an integral part of how we consume content online. Whether it's watching a movie on Netflix, listening to music on Spotify, or browsing videos on YouTube, AI plays a key role in curating the content we see. Streaming platforms use AI-powered recommendation algorithms to deliver personalized content based on our preferences, viewing habits, and interactions. These algorithms are designed to learn what we like and suggest new content tailored to our individual tastes. In this video, we'll explore how people are using AI to recommend personalized content on streaming platforms, how these algorithms work, and the broader impact they are having on our media consumption. The sheer volume of content available on streaming platforms can be overwhelming, with millions of movies, TV shows, songs, podcasts, and videos to choose from. AI has become an essential tool for helping users discover content they're likely to enjoy, making it easier to navigate these vast libraries. By analyzing data on user behavior, such as what we watch, listen to, or skip, AI-powered recommendation systems learn our preferences and make predictions about what content will keep us engaged. These systems are at the heart of the recommendation engines used by popular streaming platforms like Netflix, YouTube, Spotify, Hulu, and many others. One of the most common ways people encounter AI-driven recommendations is through movie and TV show suggestions on platforms like Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon Prime Video. When you log into Netflix, the homepage is filled with recommended content specifically curated for you. These recommendations are based on your previous viewing history, search queries, and interactions with the platform, such as ratings, likes, and the time you spend watching specific genres or shows. Netflix's AI algorithms use a combination of data points to predict which movies or series you're most likely to watch next. Netflix's recommendation system relies on collaborative filtering, a machine learning technique that analyzes user behavior and preferences to suggest content. Collaborative filtering works by identifying patterns in the viewing habits of users who share similar tastes. For example, if you and another user have both watched several action movies, the AI might recommend a new action film that the other user has enjoyed but you haven't seen yet. The system continuously refines its recommendations based on your ongoing interactions with the platform. The more you watch and interact with content, the more accurate and personalized the recommendations become. In addition to collaborative filtering, platforms like Netflix use content-based filtering to recommend shows and movies based on the characteristics of the content itself. Content-based filtering analyzes the attributes of the content you've watched, such as genre, cast, director, and plot elements, and suggests similar content. For example, if you frequently watch crime dramas with a specific actor, Netflix's AI might recommend other crime dramas featuring that actor or shows with similar plotlines. This method allows the AI to match content to your individual preferences based on your past behavior. One of the key strengths of AI-powered recommendation systems is their ability to personalize content on a granular level. No two users have the exact same experience on a platform like Netflix because the AI algorithms tailor the recommendations to each person's unique tastes. This level of personalization keeps users engaged and encourages them to spend more time on the platform, as they are continually presented with content that aligns with their interests. Streaming platforms like Spotify use AI in a similar way to recommend personalized music playlists and tracks. When you use Spotify, the platform's AI analyzes your listening history, the artists and genres you prefer, and how often you play or skip certain tracks. Based on this data, Spotify's recommendation system creates personalized playlists such as Discover Weekly, which introduces you to new songs and artists that the AI predicts you'll enjoy. Spotify's algorithm is powered by both collaborative filtering and content-based filtering, just like Netflix. However, Spotify's recommendation system also incorporates natural language processing, NLP, to analyze text data such as song lyrics, album descriptions, and even music reviews from across the web. By analyzing the language associated with different songs, albums, and genres, the AI can identify patterns and make recommendations that go beyond simply matching songs by tempo or genre. This allows Spotify to create more nuanced recommendations that reflect the deeper emotional and thematic qualities of the music you enjoy. Spotify's AI also analyzes data from user-generated playlists, which provide valuable insights into how people categorize and group songs. For example, if millions of users have included a particular song in playlists labeled chill or relaxing, the AI can use that data to recommend similar songs when you search for relaxing music. This method, known as playlist-based collaborative filtering, leverages the collective listening habits of Spotify's user base to improve the accuracy of its recommendations. One of the most innovative ways AI is being used in music streaming is through audio analysis. Spotify and other music streaming platforms use machine learning algorithms to analyze the audio characteristics of songs, such as tempo, rhythm, key, loudness, and instrumentation. By breaking down these audio elements, the AI can detect patterns in the types of music you prefer and recommend tracks that share similar sonic qualities. For example, if you often listen to upbeat electronic music with a fast tempo, the AI might recommend new electronic tracks that match those characteristics, even if they're from artists you've never heard before. Streaming platforms are also using AI to personalize video recommendations on platforms like YouTube. YouTube's recommendation system is designed to keep users engaged by suggesting videos based on their viewing history, search queries, and interactions with the platform, such as likes, dislikes, and subscriptions. The goal of YouTube's AI is to predict what videos you'll want to watch next and to keep you watching for as long as possible. YouTube's AI-powered recommendation system uses deep learning to analyze your behavior on the platform. Deep learning models are capable of processing vast amounts of data to identify complex patterns in user behavior. For example, if you frequently watch cooking videos, the AI might recommend a mix of recipe tutorials, food documentaries, and cooking challenges based on your previous interactions. The AI continuously adapts to your viewing preferences, and the more you engage with the platform, the more personalized your recommendations become. In addition to analyzing user behavior, YouTube's AI also incorporates content-based analysis to recommend videos that are similar to what you've watched before. This involves analyzing the metadata of videos, such as titles, descriptions, tags, and even the visual content within the video. For example, if you watch a video titled, "How to Make Homemade Pizza," the AI might recommend other pizza-making tutorials, cooking videos, or food-related content based on the similarities in the titles and tags. YouTube's AI also factors in the watch history of users with similar viewing habits to further refine its recommendations. One of the most interesting aspects of AI on YouTube is its ability to recommend videos based on the engagement levels of other users. YouTube tracks metrics such as watch time, likes, shares, and comments to gauge how engaging a video is. Videos with high engagement are more likely to be recommended to other users, especially if they align with your viewing habits. This creates a feedback loop in which highly engaging content is recommended to more users, leading to even higher engagement. YouTube's AI is designed to prioritize videos that are likely to keep you watching for extended periods, which is why the platform is so effective at recommending binge-worthy content. AI is also being used to power video and content recommendations on social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. These platforms use AI algorithms to curate personalized content feeds, showing users posts, stories, and videos that align with their interests. For example, TikTok's AI recommendation system analyzes your behavior on the app, including how long you watch certain videos, what types of videos you engage with, such as liking, commenting, or sharing, and the content creators you follow. Based on this data, the AI generates a For You page filled with videos tailored to your tastes. TikTok's recommendation algorithm is known for its hyper-personalization, which is achieved through a combination of collaborative filtering and content-based filtering. The AI continuously learns from your interactions with the app and adjusts the recommendations in real time. For instance, if you engage with videos featuring dance challenges, the AI will recommend more dance-related content. Over time, the algorithm refines its understanding of your preferences and becomes better at delivering content that resonates with you. AI-powered recommendation systems are also being used in podcast platforms, such as Apple Podcasts and Spotify, to suggest new shows based on your listening habits. Much like music recommendation algorithms, podcast platforms analyze your listening history, the genres you prefer, and your interactions with the platform, such as subscribing to shows or saving episodes. Based on this data, the AI recommends podcasts that align with your interests. For example, if you frequently listen to true crime podcasts, the AI might recommend other popular shows in that genre or suggest episodes with similar themes. One of the key benefits of AI-powered recommendations on streaming platforms is the ability to discover new and diverse content that you might not have found on your own. While human-curated playlists and recommendations are valuable, they are limited by the knowledge and preferences of the curator. AI algorithms, on the other hand, can analyze data from millions of users and provide recommendations that are highly personalized to each individual. This opens up new opportunities for content discovery, allowing users to explore genres, artists, and creators they may not have otherwise encountered. However, the use of AI-powered recommendations also raises questions about filter bubbles and echo chambers. Because AI algorithms are designed to recommend content that aligns with your existing preferences, there is a risk that these systems may reinforce your existing tastes and limit exposure to new or diverse viewpoints. For example, if you primarily watch political videos from a specific ideological perspective, the AI might continue recommending similar content, creating an echo chamber where you're only exposed to views that align with your own. This can have implications for the diversity of content people consume and may limit the range of perspectives they are exposed to. Streaming platforms are aware of this issue and have taken steps to mitigate the effects of filter bubbles. For example, platforms like YouTube and Spotify occasionally recommend out-of-the-box content, videos, songs, or shows that are outside your usual preferences, to encourage exploration of new genres or topics. Additionally, some platforms offer curated playlists or recommendation sections, such as Spotify's New Music Friday or Netflix's Top Picks, which expose users to popular or trending content that may not align perfectly with the typical preferences. These efforts aim to strike a balance between personalization and content diversity. AI-powered recommendation systems also have significant implications for content creators. For creators on platforms like YouTube, Spotify, and TikTok, the recommendation algorithm can make or break their success. Creators who produce content that resonates with the algorithm are more likely to be recommended to new users, leading to higher visibility, engagement, and growth. On the other hand, creators who struggle to gain traction with the algorithm may find it challenging to reach new audiences. As a result, many creators tailor their content to align with the preferences and behaviors that the AI algorithms prioritize, such as optimizing for engagement metrics like watch time or likes. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more sophisticated recommendation systems in the future. For example, AI could become more adept at analyzing emotional cues from users, such as facial expressions or voice tone, to deliver content that matches their current mood. Streaming platforms may also integrate AI with virtual reality, VR, or augmented reality, AR, to create immersive content experiences that are personalized in real time. For instance, a VR platform could use AI to recommend interactive experiences or games based on the user's previous engagement with similar content. In conclusion, AI-powered recommendation systems are transforming the way we discover and consume content on streaming platforms. By analyzing our behavior, preferences, and interactions, AI algorithms deliver personalized recommendations that keep us engaged and entertained. Whether it's recommending movies on Netflix, songs on Spotify, or videos on YouTube, AI plays a central role in shaping our content consumption habits. While there are challenges associated with filter bubbles and content diversity, AI continues to be a powerful tool for content discovery and personalization. As AI technology advances, we can expect even more innovative ways to experience personalized content on streaming platforms. If you're interested in learning more about how AI is transforming industries like entertainment, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insights and updates on the latest advancements in AI technology.